Welcome to the Grand Manor Estate at 2707 Sunnypoint Drive. Come on in. I wanted to show you some really magnificent features of this house. It's really unique and unlike anything you've ever seen before. Starting with these beautiful church doors from San Miguel de Allende. Just the quality and the fit of these is just amazing. The size of it is incredible here. Then you have hand-laid slate floors in this beautiful mocha color. It's just exquisite. Let me show you the great room in here. So down here we have peg and plank hardwood flooring, 25-foot cathedral ceilings above here, absolutely gorgeous, with rough-hewn cedar beams, amazing. The house has 7 wood-burning fireplaces, one of which is almost 6 feet tall. So I'm going to step inside here so you can get the scope of how big this fireplace is. It's incredibly large. I'm standing in here, I'm 5'9", and I can go up easily another 2 feet in here. Incredible. It's like an English manor, unlike a lake house that you'd see anywhere else. So I'm going to take you downstairs to the owner's retreat. It's incredibly large, it's very secluded and very private. So if you had a party over at this house, you're not going to hear anything downstairs. So let me show you downstairs. So downstairs on the ground level, you have the owner's retreat. You have a full bathroom here, another closet, full laundry room, and then you've got the owner's retreat in here, which is incredible. Lakefront views, wood-burning fireplace. The owner's retreat is on the left-hand side, a sitting area, and then a home office or secretary area. Plus, it's got a full bar and a kitchenette downstairs here. So total relaxation. Shut the doors, the whole world is outside those doors. Let me show you the owner's bathroom. This is a true double bathroom with double vanities, double potties, really incredible space here with jacuzzi tub. Again, lake views over here, another wood burning fireplace, and the most beautiful walk-in shower you've ever seen. So it's huge, huge. Steam shower, tile all around. Here's how big this sucker is, it's massive. All European glass. So let me show you the owner's media room downstairs here on the ground level. So what's unique about this is that you have the owner's retreat downstairs and you also have the owner's media room. So literally if there's a party or something that goes on that the owners don't want to have anything to do with upstairs, they can basically just turn off the downstairs for themselves. So this is their media room. This is handmade paneling, hand set into this room. It also has the wood beams, granite storage, plus a wine bar. Also has a wood burning fireplace as well. TV center stays, wood mutton windows looking out to the lake view also. So let's go from the ground floor back up to the upstairs and see the kitchen dining area. It's magnificent, really a treat to see. I did want to point out the features in this house are above quality. Just everything is hardwood floors, everything is solid wood. You have French, almost 8-foot French doors throughout. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 in this room alone. Solid wood mutton windows, brass, solid brass, everything here. This opens up into a very, very entertaining bar area here. You have 2 ice makers, 2 refrigerators, granite everywhere. This is a level 5 granite, emerald jade. Even has a refrigerator. Your entertainment system is in here with all your Sonos systems in here. The water buffalo does stay with the property in case anybody wants it, so just to let you know. So I'm going to take you into the dining breakfast area to show you this room. So we're coming into the breakfast area and the kitchen area. You've got a really great sitting area for extra persons, for parties. You've got bay windows up here. This all looks out to the lake here. Wonderful dining area. This can sit up to 12 people if necessary. There's also another sitting room. We have a small TV area in the kitchen area. There's also another wood-burning fireplace. I think this is number 5 or 6 in here. Huge chef kitchen. This is an entertaining kitchen deluxe. This has got granite everywhere, huge kitchen island, built-in refrigerator system. It's got 2 ovens here, microwave, warming drawer, dishwashers, Tons of storage, tons of granite everywhere you look. It also has the cottage style where it's almost a vaulted ceiling. It gives this really warm and rich feeling, but it's not pretentious. It's very, very subdued and very elegant. So I want to point out on this main level here, you still have a great guest room that's about a king-size bed, plus another bathroom upstairs, and also on this floor is another full bathroom. Now below me is another 3 bedrooms, all king-size bedrooms, huge, with 2 full bathrooms and another wood-burning fireplace. So now I need to show you the treat. It is the 2-story wine cellar room that we have that holds about 2,800 bottles. So follow me out here because this is really a cool part of it. So this is the wine cellar. It holds about 2,800 bottles. It's constructed out of red river rock, out of the Austin quarries here, so it's very local and native. It is 2 stories, so it goes down sub-level here. So I'm going to show you this. It's custom made, custom wine bottle holders in here. So it's incredible. It's a real treat to see. It is temperature oriented. It's about 60 degrees in here, so it stays very cool. But if you notice, it has these grids for the wine and the proper temperature to be stored under. And it does go downstairs, which is perfect for like a dinner party or something extremely unique. So downstairs here, this is even colder in temperature depending on the wine that you're keeping. But it's a really unique experience if you want to have a dinner party, a guy's poker room. Really unlimited possibilities down here. So guys, let me show you the best part about the lake house, is being on the lake. This house has 3 residential lots at almost an acre for all 3 lots. It does show tons of grass, beautiful 100-year-old oak trees here with a beautiful canopy. But what's nice about this is that it's not sandwiched in between a bunch of condominiums. You get a lot of space here. It's very private, very serene. You have a beach over here. You have a 2-boat dock to my right, and then you've got a lower gazebo, full granite, bar stools, bar area, ice maker, water, etc. So let me walk you down here. You can't really get the grasp of how massive this property is without seeing it on this video. This is the place to be hanging out at the water when you're this low. Lots of sitting areas, lots of chaise lounges, but this is a gourmet kitchen setup out here. Totally set up for any party that you could have out here. There's been weddings out here and lots of parties. It's a really great entertaining space. Thank you for watching the Grand Manor Estate at 2707 Sunnypoint Drive. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.